This is the EMF equalizer, but it does a lot more than equalize the EMF. We all receive lots of EMF and blue light damage, and we receive algorithms from our phones. We get satellite and cell tower frequencies and even microwave frequencies. But what if you didn't have to go through all that? What if you didn't have to have that exposure, have that damage? Well, let me demonstrate. So I've already had mine for today, but it's very simple. You put a drop in your palm, you rub your palms together. Now I'm going to send the frequency of this EMF equalizer to you right now. Now I can do this because I am an energy healer and am proficient at projecting energy. So the formula itself, the frequency of it, is what is coming to you right now. So some of you will feel the effects in many different ways. You might feel something draining out of your body, being pushed out of your body. There might be tingling sensations. Some of you might get quite warm as it's leaving. Everyone's reaction, response is different. So what does this do? It removes the blue light and the blue light damage, repairs that. It removes the EMF and repairs damage done by the electromagnetic frequencies to all of your organs and glands. Repairs those organs and glands. And it helps your body get stronger, your energy fields get stronger so that you can repel those frequencies from the towers and the routers and everything that we are concerned about at this time when it comes to the EMF, blue light, and other frequencies like that. Now, one of the things that has come to us recently, Claudia and I sit down and we do a lot of tuning in, if you will, talking to spirit, going within and asking our bodies questions. And we realize that the electromagnetic energy from the phone and other devices is actually weakening our bodies, weakening our cells. Now, weakening our cells, what does that mean? That means that your bones might not be as strong as they could be for where you are right now in life. So if your bones are being weakened and your organs and glands are being weakened by 30 or 40% over time, what does that say about your health? What does that say about your future? What does that say about your brain and your cognitive abilities going into the future? Some of you may feel your head getting clear, brain fog kind of lessening. That is because of the blue light damage that is being repaired, as well as the electromagnetic energy that is being released. And all it takes is one drop in your palm every 3 days, so twice a week. Now, what do you feel? Do a little check right now. Pay attention to what you feel in your head, your eyes, your face, organs, glands. For those of you that hold your phone in one hand all the time, carry it that way, or always use it in one hand, you might feel the muscles in that arm and hand start to relax because there's such a buildup of electromagnetic energy that travels up the arm. This may be the one that you're having some extra tension in, awareness, compression in the elbow, things of that nature. This is the medicine of the future. as a energy healer, inventor, creator, this is what Claudia and I do. This is what we like to share with you. The possibilities of being in the smog of EMF and other frequencies, but not having to take it on all the time. Now, this doesn't mean that just because you can clear it from your body, that now you have free reign to just be on your devices at all times. It's not 100%, but we believe that this is one of the best things out there. It's the best thing that we have to offer at this time, and we have created several tools up to now. You're having a little bit more time as I send the frequency. And I'm going to stop talking for a little bit and just send. Let me know what you feel, what your experience has been with this frequency coming into your body. Hope to hear from you soon.